My name is Ananya Shukla. Today's my topic is detailed descriptions of Dhyan Yoga. Having firmly placed his seat in a spot which is free from dirt and other impurities with the secret kush grass, a deer skin, and a cloth spread thereon below another kush below deer skin in the middle of cloth uppermost, neither very high nor very low, and occupying that seat, considering in the mind and controlling the functions of the mind, of senses, he should practice yoga for self purifications. Holding the trunk, head, neck straight and steady, remembering from and fixing the gaze on the ship of he knows, without looking in other directions, firm in the valor of complete justice and fearless, keeping himself perfectly calm and with the mind held in the restraint and believes on me. The vigilant yogi should sit and jot in me, thus completely applying the mind to the yoga of disciplined mind, attains the everlasting peace considering of the Supreme, which advised in me, Arjuna, this yoga neither is for him overacts nor for him to absorb the completely fast is it neither for him is begin too much sleep nor even so him who has ceaseless awake. Yoga, which right one of is accomplished only him by who is regulated in diet and recreations regulated in performing actions and regulated in sleep and vakuflations, and the mind which is thoroughly disciplined gets riveted on God alone than the person who is free from earning for all enjoyments is said to be established in yoga as a light does not filter in a weedless plant. Such instead to the pictures of disciplined mind the yogi perfecting meditation on God, the state in which covered through the practice of yoga the mind becomes still and which reasoning so God through stable reason purified by meditation on God. The soul relies only the God in which the soul appearing who has don't know, which appears only through the stable purified intellect and where is established the said yogi move free from those any account, those who are not related to the any persons who have no any and having attained which he does not break on any other gain as greater than that the established in which person he has not shaken by the last moment the having of sorrows, the state called yoga, which is free from collected of sorrow, is free from transmitted. So we can know this yoga, we should realize practice and the purifying mind, completely renouncing all desires arousing, packed and free from all sides of the mind. He should through gradual practice attain tranquility. By stayfied, we should think of anything else, drying with the restless and fidgeting mind free from on those objects obscure with the runs in he should repeatedly on God. For who he yogi of mind is subdued, who identified with Brahma and the Vishnu, the embodiments of truth, knowledge, and bliss supreme, happens come as a matter of course when there is senseless yogi thus uttering himself contentedly with God. Enjoyment, the internal glimpse of one's Brahma, the yoga of united identity with the all-pervading infinity, complexions and sees unit everywhere, beholds the self of presence in all beings, and all beings as abused in the self, he who sees to be universal self present in all beings. He, all beings adjusting with me, never loses sight, and of my never lose sight of him. The yogi who is established in union with thee, it worships me as realizing is all beings and their very self, advised in no more mean matter. Arjuna, he who looks on all as one, on the exhaust of his own self, and looks upon the joy and sorrow of all with the similar eye, such a yogi is demoted the highest of all. Arjuna said, Krishna, owing to relationships are mind and do not progressing stories, but the yoga in the form of equanimity which you have just spoken of. गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या कि मन्ये शास्त्र विस्तरे या स्वयं पद्मना वत्स्या. राधे राधे.